Let's talk about the case for six-figure Bitcoin soon. The Fed cuts interest rates by 0.5% today, starting the first rate cut cycle in over 4 years. We talk about why the trend is important and how Bitcoin was designed to fix the problem of central banks controlling the price of money in the first place. Meanwhile, BlackRock publishes a report pitching Bitcoin to their clients as an asset to hold during banking and sovereign debt crises, currency debasement, geopolitical turmoil, and general economic risk. And Ethereum, after the ETF flop, continues to fade into obscurity and cringe. Could 60K be the new 10K? What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Pure Bitcoin Signal. I'm Hurley, Director of Content here at Swan. Let's get into it. Fed Chair Jerome Powell just held his FOMC presser and announced the first interest rate cuts in 4 years. And he surprised some by an aggressive cut of 0.5%. There was a lot of debate whether he would cut 25 or 50 basis points today, but the rate of the cut doesn't really matter here. What matters is the trend. And today marks the beginning of lowering of interest rates, which means more liquidity is set to enter the economy. And more than any other indicator, global liquidity going up tends to correlate with the Bitcoin price moves up. But whatever the actual interest rate change, the real signal resides in this take from Parker Lewis. Remember, whatever happens today, 25 basis points, 50 basis points, 75 basis points, ZERP, etc., this is the Fed price controlling money. Similar to policies to cap prices on food or rent, but far more destructive economically because it distorts all markets and prices. Study Bitcoin. Only Bitcoin can fix this. Bitcoin was specifically designed to stop the constant manipulation of the price of money by central banks. It fixes this by having a hard cap supply limit of 21 billion units and automating the issuance schedule and mining difficulty. And as Parker points out in his book, Gradually Then Suddenly, centralized control of the price of money causes broad economic distortion far worse than the manipulation of any single market. You see, money printing is like an addiction, and central bankers are like the junkies looking for the next quick fix.
Being like a group of junkies who've relapsed, going, listen, man, I just need some liquidity, you know what I'm saying? I just ran into some bad subprime, you know? I just need $805 billion by Tuesday. Yeah, no, seriously. No, I would not screw you again. No, baby, this is not like the other time. We just had complex formulas. We just didn't factor in greed and panic, you know? Help me out.
Just give me a little bit.
Yeah, just a taste. That's all I need is a taste. I need $2.5 trillion. I'll pay you back.
Get me through 1 week.
Classic clip there. Meanwhile, BlackRock released a 9-page report today highlighting Bitcoin as a unique diversifier that can act as a hedge against fiscal, monetary, and geopolitical risks. The high signal report also includes data that suggests Bitcoin is a mostly uncorrelated asset and even includes a striking comparison table highlighting how Bitcoin gained outsized returns against the S&P 500 and gold after major geopolitical events. In other news also bullish for Bitcoin, Ethereum, the second largest crypto to Bitcoin by market cap, continues to melt down, specifically when priced in Bitcoin. This comes after the much anticipated Ethereum ETF launched on July 23rd of this year and has since become a colossal flop. And just when you thought things couldn't get any worse, a video has emerged of Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin singing solo on stage at the Token 2049 crypto event in Singapore.
And its properties are far better than all the rest of them. It's mathematical. No more double spend. It's encryptable. Put your cash in your brain or it's bearable. A new form of wealth begins.
Guys, I think Ethereum might actually be going to zero. It's moments like these that we thank Satoshi for disappearing when he did. Remember, Bitcoin has no CEO or founder that can act this cringe publicly. And all of this makes the case for Bitcoin even more clear, and that there is no second best crypto asset. So all signs are pointing to an impending Bitcoin bull market. And the consolidation trend we've been seeing for the past 6+ months lends me to believe that 60,000 Bitcoin might actually be the new 10,000 Bitcoin from the previous cycle. But it's important to stay humble and remember that anything can happen. Bitcoin, of course, could surpass $100,000 per Bitcoin this year, or if we get some kind of black swan event or market downturn, it could go the opposite way. But as BlackRock pointed out in their report, historically, Bitcoin does incredibly well in the months following these kinds of liquidation events. So stay calm and remember the reason why we're all here in the first place. Bitcoin is the long game, and it's our only viable chance at separating money from state. That's it for today. Let me know what you think about the Fed decision, BlackRock's report, and the Ethereum cringe fest in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more pure Bitcoin signal. Until next time, TikTok, next block.